Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to go over a summary of the tour that we just took of Trello to kind of get a deeper understanding of what Trello is for and how you can utilize it for your project, workflow, and or team. So Trello works for any type of project. It works for workflow or team, and it can move as fast as you do. Sign up, create a board, and you're off. Okay, that's the essence of it. So we talked about boards, lists, and cards. We talked about how to manage tasks with ease. So members, due dates, and checklists, and attachments. How you can see your work in a whole new way, and then how to integrate apps into it, and then how you can scale your team with Trello. Okay. Automate workflow, get peace of mind, and adapt processes from the pros, and also how to use templates. And then we covered the free business class and enterprise plans for Trello. Okay, so that's a summary of what we learned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.